Hello, my name is Monty K. Reed. My YouTube handle is at MONTYKREED. My channel is youtube.com/at Monty K. Reed. I will prove that my content is not reused content. I will prove my content is clearly an original creation of my channel and myself. My YouTube viewers have already proven my content adds value to them because of the 233,000 views in the last 28 days. YouTube's decision to demonetize my channel was a mistake and should be reversed. I submit this appeal. YouTube's team of policy specialists, a combination of automated systems and human reviewers, claims to have found reused content on my channel and claims my content is not clearly original creation of this channel, myself the creator, thus insulting me as a fake. The 229,000 views of my shorts in the last 28 days proves my content adds value to the viewers and may raise red flags, especially if you're an AI software bot or an automated system. A human can tell the difference. This amazing growth is not AI or software robots. It's because of a human. That's me, the creator, because of hard work. It's also from following instructions I received directly from YouTube through emails and pop-ups on the YouTube Studio platform. I was told what to do. I did it, and it worked. And then I was fired or punished by being demonetized. You really shouldn't punish people for doing what they're told, especially if it works. It's really frustrating for creators. You will drive them to other platforms. Any content I use that I did not originally create becomes original content because I put funny and thoughtful spins on them. My proof that this is a mistake and should be reversed is very simply in the YouTube channel monetization policies that I was following. See that it says, quote, "We want to reward creators for original and authentic content that adds a value to viewers. If you put a funny or thoughtful spin on content you didn't originally create, you've transformed the content," end quote. The TV clips I have thoughtfully selected. My camera work and the nested frame narrative that I use is what transformed the content. I film a television show on a television to make people feel like they're in the living room, on the couch, watching TV, not watching a clip on their phone or on their PC. As far as how I create these TV clips and other videos, a lot of forethought goes into it. How do I create a short that can stand on its own? With the television clips, I make sure that I'm filming it on a television, make sure that there's irritating reflections of, here's some blinds, a shelf, another window, and even a reflection of the camera person. I'm doing this intentionally as part of my art so that they know that they're watching a television show on a television. I make sure there's clutter in the shelves. How I create videos, including how you film them and edit them. Thoughtfulness, I watch an entire show, including all seasons and all episodes 2 times. Then I go back and watch through a 3rd time for content to share. With Rick and Morty, I invested 80 hours to watch all 8 seasons, every single episode. And then went back the 3rd time to pick out the clips. To create 55 Rick and Morty clips, I needed to capture, rewatch, recapture the video 2 to 3 times. Then I edit the video on either CapCut, iMovie, or Clipchamp. And I've been doing that on the phone as well as on the PC. And after I edit and watch and upload, sometimes I don't like it and I have to redo the whole thing. Many times I need to reshoot a video or do a voiceover, especially when Rick or other characters are swearing. Mostly Rick. I'll just say flip, what the flip, flippin', 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 flap, and flippin' Snapdragon. All of that just for Rick. A TV clip can be up to 30 minutes of editing and uploading and then adding the text on the site. So for 55 TV clips, I've invested over 100 hours to upload and create. An AI bot could not possibly understand this. Any human could recognize this and tell the difference. As an artist and a content creator, I'm insulted by YouTube accusing me of not being original and posting reused content and being a fake. Consider my channel as a whole. In the 20 years I've been a creator since 2014 to present, 1.9 million views. And of that, 1.2 million views are videos that are not shorts. My top 50 videos and top 50 shorts are all recorded by me or of me. Please watch my channel with human eyes. Enjoy it. Please restore monetization to my channel. I look forward to another 20 years, and I look forward to hearing back from you, even you AI robots. I'm Monty K. Reed. Thank you and have a great day.